Welcome back to our channel, fellow drone enthusiasts. Today, we've got something truly exciting in store for you all. We're about to embark on an exhilarating journey into the world of aerial photography and videography as we unveil our carefully curated list of the top 5 drones. Whether you're an experienced pilot aiming for that perfect shot or a newcomer eager to explore the skies, these drones are poised to revolutionize your content creation game. And, as always, we've got your convenience in mind. Amazon affiliate links are waiting for you in the description below. So, without any further ado, let's soar into the captivating details. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 Pro. Our adventure commences with the powerhouse that is the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Don't let its compact stature fool you. This drone packs a punch. Tailored for both novices and seasoned aviators, it boasts a sophisticated camera setup and an array of intelligent flight modes. Whether you're aiming to capture cinematic landscapes or the thrill of dynamic action, the DJI Mini 3 Pro stands ready to deliver exceptional quality and unforgettable shots. Number 2. DJI Air 2S. Transitioning to our next contender, we introduce the remarkable DJI Air 2S, striking a perfect balance between compact design and formidable performance. This drone boasts a robust 1-inch sensor and a variety of intelligent shooting modes. It's the go-to choice for those who demand nothing but the best in visual excellence. From capturing breathtaking aerial panoramas to dynamic on-the-go scenes, the DJI Air 2S is your steadfast ally. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. At the third spot, we step into the world of the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. This drone is more than just an advancement. It's a leap into the future of aerial photography and filmmaking. With Hasselblad's expertise at its core, it combines an advanced obstacle avoidance system with unparalleled capability in challenging environments. Brace yourself for a realm of boundless creativity with the DJI Mavic 3 Pro by your side. Number 4. Autel Evo Lite Plus. Our fourth contender, the remarkable Autel Evo Lite Plus, might just surprise you. Often seen as the underdog, this drone defies expectations with its impressive flight time and a premium 6K camera. If you're seeking an alternative to mainstream options, the Autel Evo Lite Plus is here to showcase its prowess. It's a testament to the diverse landscape of the drone market, catering to those in search of innovation and excellence. Number 5. DJI Mini 3. Last, but certainly not least, let's introduce the DJI Mini 3. Crafted especially for those taking their first steps into aerial photography, this compact and budget-friendly drone is your gateway to the skies. Despite its modest size, it offers seamless flight control, captures respectable footage, and introduces a spectrum of creative features. For those curious and eager to explore the world of drones without breaking the bank, the DJI Mini 3 extends a warm invitation. And there you have it, our hand-picked selection of the top 5 drones that are poised to redefine your aerial photography and videography experiences. Keep in mind that the best drone for you hinges on your unique preferences and aspirations. Don't forget to explore the Amazon affiliate links in the description to delve deeper into these options. If this video has provided valuable insights on your quest for the perfect drone, please show your support by hitting that thumbs up and subscribing. Stay tuned for more captivating content that'll keep you on the edge of your seat. And until we meet again, embrace the skies and keep those propellers spinning high. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.